Hi everyone! If you are testing a trading bot, you probably don't want to risk real money. That's where Binance Testnet comes in. It lets you trade with virtual funds in a real market environment, completely risk-free. Today, I'll show you how to create a Binance Testnet account and generate API keys for your bot. Let's get started. Now open your browser and go to google.com. Type Testnet Binance Vision into the search bar and press enter. Click on the second result. Click on Login with GitHub to authenticate your account. If you don't have an account, click Create an account to register. Enter your email, create a password, and choose a username. Then click Continue to proceed with the GitHub registration. Now log in again by clicking Login with GitHub. Click Authorize Binance Exchange to grant access to Binance Spot Testnet. Click on Generate HMAC SHA-256 key to create a new API key for Binance Testnet. Enter a description for your API key such as Trading Bot. After naming our API key Trading Bot, you can simply leave the default settings as they are. The essential permissions, trade, user data, and user stream are already selected, which is all we need for a functional trading bot. Now, just click Generate to create your API key. Your API key has been successfully created. Make sure to save both the API key and secret key now, as they won't be shown again. You can save them in Notepad for easy access. Great! Your Binance Testnet API key is ready. In the next video, we'll connect it to your trading bot. Stay tuned.